Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, math teacher, and now we are on a channel Think Math with Shailesh. In this channel, today's we will going to learn the chapter set. In chapter set, this video deals with the basic ideas and membership concept of the set. To make the questions easy, I have used the picturization method. I have correlated all the statement with the real pictures or the virtual pictures of the members of those set. So if you want to take the full advantage of this video, then you must see my first earlier activity video regarding set. So get ready to learn the set, basic idea and membership. Dear student, now we will solve the questions as per the given statement whether the following sentences are true or false. Here the first part is B does not belong to the set, and this set there are the elements A, E, I, O, U. We know these are the vowels. This is the set of vowels, but V is not a vowel. So it is correct. Therefore, you can see that B is not there or anywhere. So B is not there in the set. That's why we can say B does not belong to the set. So the answer is true. Now the second one is 6 belong to the set of even number. Now the 6 is a number that is divisible by 2. As you can see that 6 is completely divided by 2. 2 3 the 6, the remainder is 0. Because 6 is divisible by 2, therefore 6 belongs to the set of even number. And the set of even numbers I must have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So you can see 6 is there. So this belongs to the set. Therefore it is also true. Now we are on the third question where it is given that gold does not belong to silver, platinum, gold. But you can see that gold is lying in this set. Gold is the member of this set. Therefore, gold belongs to this set. But it is written there that gold does not belong to. But therefore, this sentence is false. Okay. Now, the next one is 13 is the set of odd numbers. Now, set of the odd number. Which are the odd number? Those are 13 does not belong to the set of odd number. Here you see 13. We see 13 is not divisible by 2. The remainder is 1. Now, I will write the set of odd numbers. Now, you see 13 does not belong to the set of, that is set of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. Here you see that 13 belongs to this set, but it is given does not belong to. Therefore, this is false. The question is 1998, that is 1998 belongs to the set of leap year. Now what is a leap year? You know that leap year is the year that is divisible by 4. Okay, so firstly we will check the leap years. 1998 should be divisible by 4. So 4 4s are 16. Here 3, 9 and 4 9s are 36. and here 3 and 8, 4 9s are 36. You see that 998 is not divisible on 4. Therefore, this does not belong to the set of leap years. So, this is, I can write 1998 is not a leap year. So, this sentence is false. Now, you can see Moon belongs to the set of planets in solar system. Now, Moon belongs to the set of planets in the solar system. Now, Moon belongs to the set of planets in the solar system. So, first of all, we must know what the solar system is. So, I will show you the picture of the solar system. Here you can see this is the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members are there. But you can see there is no moon there. So you can clearly decide that moon does not belong to the set of planets of the solar system. The other picture is, you can see this. Now, these are the planets of the solar system. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3 Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Planets of solar system. So there is no moon. So we can say that moon does not belong to the planets of solar system. So in place of belongs to, there should be not belongs to. But therefore this given sentence is false. Okay. Now student, it is given to you that state whether the following sentences are true or false. The first sentence is Gitanjali. Gitanjali is the name of the book. Belongs to set of books written by Tagore. So I will show you the picture of Gitanjali and then you will decide that it belongs to Rabindranath Tagore or not. So this is the picture before you. Now you can see the name of the book is Gitanjali, Song Offerings, and this is the picture of the author. And what is the name of the author? Rabindranath Tagore, winner of the first Nobel Prize for India, okay, and in 1913. So you can see that Gitanjali is the book written by Tagore. So you can see here Gitanjali belongs to the set of books written by Rabindranath Tagore. Gitanjali, Rabindranath by Tagore, and you can see Gitanjali, Rabindranath by Tagore. Okay, so this belongs to Rabindranath Tagore. So this sentence is true. Okay, so this sentence is true, students. Okay, now you can see rose belongs to the set of all vegetables. You know what is rose? Rose is a flower. So this doesn't belong to the vegetable. Here you can see rose does not belong to the set of vegetable, because you can see this is the rose and rose. This is the flowers, rose flowers picture. Rose is not a vegetable. Okay, rose is not a vegetable. So rose does not belong to the set of vegetable. It belongs to the set of flowers. So this sentence is true. I will write this sentence true. Okay, true.